Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anugerah Aulia Isra with class student ID number 053. On this occasion, I will explain about my assignment, Morphology. Okay, a free morpheme can stand alone as a complete and independent word and does not require attachment to other morphemes. For example, book, eat, and sleep. Whereas a bound morpheme cannot stand alone and must be connected to a free morpheme to form a completed word. For example, those using the prefix "an" and the suffix "ness", such as unclear and happiness. Affixation is the process of attaching bound morphemes to a base or root form. There are three types. First, prefix, where the prefix appears at the beginning of the base or root word. For example, pre to preview and dis to disagree. Number two, suffixes usually appear at the end of the root or base. Example, ness to happiness. And the last, infixes. Infixes are usually inserted within the root word, although they are rarely used in English. For example, unfreaking believable, too unbelievable. English has few bound morphemes because of its less inflectional nature, relying on analytic grammar, word order prepositions, rather than syntactic affixes, which simplifies basic vocabulary but complicates grammatical nuance. Roots, bases, and stems that are confusing, such as nation compared to international, can make analysis difficult because of their different forms and meanings. Without visual aids like morphemes trees, students often struggle to understand how these words are formed and related to each other. Teachers can make use of errors like good for meaningful corrective activities. The method is to ask students to identify the error, compare it with the correct word, such as went, and then create a morpheme tree together so they can more easily understand the correct pattern. I think that's all. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.